So I opened my bank account in Deutsche Bank last year in the month of October, and I have been wanting to share with you its entire process along with my experience of opening it. So today's video is all about that, and without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright, so here are top 4 reasons why I decided to open my account in Deutsche Bank and not any other. You might want to hear this. Firstly, they are one of the largest and most trusted banks in Germany. They have been often recommended by the German embassies themselves for purposes like opening your blocked account, which is called Sperrkonto in German. They have branches all across the country, meaning you can get in-person support whenever you need it. And lastly, they have additional benefits for students. For example, if you are a student who's opening his or her account, then you wouldn't have to pay any additional charges, meaning your account is free until you turn 30 years old. And that's actually a green flag for us students. At Deutsche Bank, there are two types of main accounts which international students like us usually open. First is the blocked account, which is spare konto, and second is giro konto, which is the current account. Now I know you may ask why you actually require two accounts. You can only open one as you would do in any other bank. But hear me out. If you have opened your Deutsche Bank account for your blocked account purposes, then you would need it for your visa and covering your living expenses. But if you have your blocked account with some other provider and you need to transfer that money to a German bank account, then you would need a current bank account, which is the Giro Konto. And that will be then used for paying your rent, your groceries, even receiving money from your part-time job or any other. So that's why you require two types of accounts, and you can even open one of them and the other one would be with some other provider. So to open a Deutsche Bank account, here's what you will require. Firstly, your passport. Then you require the proof of address in Germany, which is called Anmeldung. Then you require the university enrollment certificate, which is Immatrikulationsbescheinigung. And you also need your residence permit or visa if you have it, which I think you would do. But hey, keep in mind, if you are opening a blocked account before arriving in Germany, it's better to apply online from your home country. Now, to open a Deutsche Bank account, you will need to visit the bank in person at any branch that's near you, or even you can do that online. Then you also need to submit your documents. So it's better if you go for an appointment in person, carrying all your documents, and then you can do that much easier without getting confused and making mistakes. Also, you need to complete a identity check, which you can do at the branch or even at postident. This is exactly how I booked my appointment, and today I'm going to show you how you can book yours. So just click on account and card and select open a private account because that's what we want. Then click further. Here you will be asked if you would like to be advised. This means they would uh, advise you what's best for you as a student, which is exactly what happened with me at the bank because I selected at the bank location, and that person was also responsible for opening my bank account, and that's what I would recommend you to do as well. But anyway, you can select at your desired location via video consultation or telephone advice, whichever suits the best for you. So I'll just select at the bank location and yeah, proceed. Here you can pick the locations near you. I'll just select the address where I opened my account. I suppose it's this one, Hermannstrasse. Yeah. All right, select that and proceed. Then you will find a list of the available banks nearby that area, and yeah, you will also see the distance from your house along with its address, street address, and contact details. Well, I think everything is mentioned. Just select whichever is convenient for you and go forward with selecting a date. Now you're almost done with booking your appointment. You just need to select a day and the time you are available at. And the names that you are seeing in front of the time is basically the person who is going to open your account or whom you are supposed to meet when you go at the bank in person. So just select your time that you are available at and the day. Once you do that, just enter the data at the contact details page, your first name, last name, email, phone. Once you do that, select if you are already a Deutsche Bank customer. Of course not. So once you fill the contact details, click on OK and continue. I cannot because I won't have to do that again. I have already opened my account. But once you do that, well, you will be able to see the confirmation page, which is this one. And lastly, you also need to wait for the approval. And once it's done, you will receive your IBAN and also your debit card via post. Now let's talk about money. The blocked account setup fee is about 150 euros and its monthly service fee is about 5 to 7 euros something depending on the blocked account service provider you have. Now like I mentioned previously, the student current account, which is Giro Conto, is free until you turn 30 years old, and as a student you can take advantage of it. Also, the cash withdrawal in Deutsche Bank ATMs is totally free. But keep in mind, if you withdraw money from any other ATMs, that's going to charge you extra money. I've done it myself, and every time I look at my bank statement, that's like 5 to 10 euros extra just for withdrawing a small amount of money. And it, of course, depends on the withdrawal. But if you convert that amount into your home country's currency, which is for me it's Indian rupees, so that's a lot of money, especially if you're from a middle class family. And that's how you open a Deutsche Bank account in Germany. I know it's a bit of paperwork, but once you have gone through all of that and it's set up, then everything runs smoothly. Now before you leave this video, head to the comment section and tell me if you're planning to open your account in Deutsche Bank or any other. And I would really appreciate if you could give this video a like and subscribe my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.